Arrive in style with this 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 5.3-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.9, clock, in radio display, cruise control and cylinder deactivation. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.